welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so good today. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a product review. Really excited about this one. I was kindly gifted this entire set by a wonderful brand called Manicure. I will link them here and in the description below for you. This is not a sponsored video, but they did kindly gift me these products, so very excited to get stuck in. Manicure are actually a nail brand, if you didn't guess from their title. I cannot tell you how much I need to do my nails. I will show you anyway, probably a bit more close up. Yeah, my nails have got really skanky, I think, over the last few weeks, months. We've been in lockdown for so long, and I don't think the nail salons have been open, or they were open for a really short period of time and then had to close again. So I'm sure many of us out there are kind of living with not desired nail look. So that's why I think I'm really excited about this product, because it may introduce you to a brand new brand where you can have your own little mini nail salon at home until everything opens up again for us. Because here in the UK, everything's closed. We're in lockdown, so we can't go anywhere and nothing's open. Let me just show you what they sent me. So I got sent their Green Flash gift set, which is essentially this amazing gel nail LED lamp, which is also a plug-in one, it's not also one, it is a plug-in one. I got a Green Flash gel base coat nail varnish, and then I got the LED Green Flash gel top coat. And then I've got two nail colours of my choosing. So I chose Hortatia, which is like a cotton pink, and then I chose bronze. And then included within that, you also get the Green Flash nail polish remover. So obviously this is there to take off the gel nails. I am so excited. This kit in total costs £85, which I think for everything that's included within it, it's a very good price. You can get a variety of other products, gift sets. You can buy the nail varnishes individually. So the one I got sent, was the Pro Full Kit Green Flash, which is £89, not £85. I'll link everything in the description box below so you can have a browse yourself. And I need to just do my nails, so I'm going to show you what they currently look like. They are, if you can see, firstly need cutting and filing, which I will do, and then yeah, they're in urgent need of some TLC. I thought I'd tell you a little bit about the brand. So they're easy removal, non-damaging for the nails, as thin as a regular nail lacquer, free from endocrine, I think that's how you pronounce that, disruptor, up to 84% of natural origin ingredients. What is Flash? A gel polish without the drawbacks, formulated with natural origin ingredients. These ingredients come from the vegetal biomass, so are produced with renewable resources and not with oil. Green Flash limits its impact on the environment. They're also cruelty-free, vegan, and obviously natural products. There's a list on here for preparation, so I'm actually going to do that, but I've got to cut and file my nails first, like you would in a normal salon, so I'm going to do that now. So this is what my nails looked like before, and I just clipped all of my nails off because I just didn't like how they looked. They looked brittle and scruffy, so I trimmed them all down. And then I used my nail file, so I have like a nail file, buffers and a shiner, so I did this just to kind of get my nails into good shape before painting them. So step one is to take our LED gel base coat, and what a base coat does is protects the nail from staining and adds that layer before you apply the colour. And once we've applied, we just pop our hands underneath the LED lamp to let that coat dry. So step 2 is to choose a colour. I wasn't too sure which one to go with, so I have Hortatia and Bronze, and both are very beautiful, so I thought I would show you what they look like, and here you go. So Hortatia is the cotton pinky colour and Bronze is obviously the bronze shade. I decided to go with Hortatia, which is the cotton pink colour, because I thought it was subtle, it went with everything, and the Bronze was a bit more of a summer vibe, so pink it is. This is what the first coat looks like. I actually had to go over this 3 times just to get remotely the colour that I like, so I'll show you right here. So this is what the final look looks like of the 3 coats. The third step is to go in with the LED gel top coat, and what I did was just cover the nails and of course go back under the LED lamp and let that dry. It took around 5 minutes, I would say, to dry in total. Hey everybody, so I've just finished my nails. Make sure everything's closed. So this is what they now look like. I think they are a massive improvement, a huge improvement in comparison to what they look like. I went with the cotton pink, so Hortatia, instead of the Bronze, because I did pop them on like a little piece of paper, you can see. So obviously there's the cotton pink and there's the Bronze, and I thought the bronzy colour would be perfect for summer, but right now I think having a more natural nail look that I can maintain, not that I can't maintain the Bronze, but I just think that it just gives me a bit more of a summer vibe than it does just kind of this winter that we're in. But I love them. It took me overall, obviously this video isn't this long, but it took me about 40 minutes in total to do the nails, to kind of file them down, cut them. I actually used this nail file kit that Gary got. It's a professional nail file set, so I actually buffed and shined and filed my nails using this, so it's not part of the kit. And I went with quite short nails because my nails were obviously they just didn't look as healthy, so I kind of just cut them so they're completely short. But I actually think that's what works really nicely with this kind of nudie pinky colour. I love the product. I think it's such an amazing idea, and I love the fact that they're cruelty free and vegan and all natural products as well, or pretty much, I think they're like 89% natural products or something like that. I just think it's a really great way to kind of pamper yourself, make yourself feel good, keep your nails in check at home whilst we're in this current climate. I also think in the long term I will be using this rather than going to the nail salon. I probably will still go, you know, sometimes to the nail salon just to kind of treat myself, but I think just to save a bit of money, it's quite nice now that I've got this at home. I can buy like new nail varnishes off the manicurist. I think I will just be buying manicurist nail colours because I think there's a variety on their website, which I'll link below. I'll put everything below for you so you can check them out yourself, and you never know, you may be interested in buying from them as well. But I would highly recommend them. I think my nails have turned out so lovely, and they feel clean, they feel good condition, they feel like what, you know, a professional nail person would do. Obviously I'm not a professional nail artist. I just think that it's brilliant. It's great that I can do this at home, and I love kind of the whole LED lamp kit. I think it goes weird on the camera, but very easy to use. I think I was following the guidelines, so there's some guidelines in terms of, you know, how to prepare your nails and what order to do them in. So on the top of the nail kits as well, if you can see on the nail varnishes, they've got a number on, so you know what order to use them in. But obviously it does say on the front as well, base coat, nail colour, top coat, but it does give you like a timings in terms of how to use the LED lamp. I actually found that it took a little bit longer than what they've recommended to dry down. So the base coat, I think I had to go in 3 times, so it took me 3 minutes. And then the layer in the middle, which was the Hortatia, which is a colour, that also took 3 minutes. And then the top coat I actually went in for like 4.5 minutes, I think, until I was completely satisfied that they were dried down. I'm just going to cream my hands, by the way, because my hands are so dry at the moment. But overall, amazing. My nails feel fresh and just incredibly beautiful now. I feel like I've got beautiful nails again. So I'm excited. I'm so excited for that. So thank you so much, manicurist. I really, really appreciate you sending me this kit because it's amazing, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!